Okay, so this is our Samsung washing machine, the Eco Bubble with the front loading AddWash doors. What happened? The seal has come off slightly. It's not broken or damaged by any sort. Called the Samsung service. They offered me that they do not repair this. They only replace the whole door. The cost of the repair is around 250 euros. So I decided to go and look by myself. What do you need to do? Remove these two screws. These are visible. Then remove additional two screws which are hidden under these little stickers. After you have done this, you need to apply a little bit of force to get the door cover out of these hinges, or how to call it. After you have removed, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 5, 6, 7 little screws like this, and after we remove the screws, the whole glass door can be taken outside. You can then fix the seal onto the place. Yes, okay, like this, and just continue in reverse order to put the door back together. So saved 250 euros and left few negative reviews for Samsung. I hope that this will help someone. Thanks, bye.